Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Weiser, Marketing Manager here at Rack Square Data Centers, and I'm here with Jason Hardy. He is our VP and General Manager. And a topic that's really kind of been hit and miss, I feel like, is this thought around co-location. And I feel like our customers, as well as people out there, that when they think about it, it's I bring my equipment to you, I house it in your environment, and that's it, right? Yeah. But at the end of the day, we've done some pretty customizable value add items on it. Yeah. We have conversations all the time of you do this and then you do this and then you do this, and it kind of expands more than just I'm renting space.
Yep.
You want to kind of talk a little bit more detail about what all that is?
Yeah, your traditional co-location model is pretty much what you explained. That they're going to put their equipment here. They want our power, our internet, and they want to know it's up and running. And other than that, they manage it themselves.
Right.
We're very hands-off in that situation. We're providing the environment for them.
Yeah.
What we've done is we've really created a lot of almost managed services on top of the basic co-location. And it's been something that, we have customers that they come in, they're thinking colo, but then they see other challenges that they have. So one of the things that we see, people want to co-locate, but it's their production system, and now they're stuck trying to figure out, how am I going to perform backups? And they want to bring their tape drive and ask us to swap tapes for them, which is not a huge deal. If that's what you want, we can do that.
Yeah.
But once you're in the data center, there's much better solutions. One of the things that we offer people is, if you're co-locating with us, put your data on our SAN. Yeah. And by putting your data on our SAN, as soon as you say okay to that, you open the door to additional benefits. One of those benefits is, when your data is on our primary SAN, we can replicate it offsite to a secondary SAN in near real time, giving you 2 copies of your data that are almost real-time copies of each other in 2 different locations. So you get some resiliency there in your data. We also have the ability to do backups. So when it's on our SAN, every night we can back that data up for you. So we get you completely out of the backup business.
Yeah.
We've had people that have wanted to co-locate with us or have wanted to go to the cloud and owned equipment that they had not fully depreciated.
Yeah.
So what we did was we used co-location as kind of a bridge to the cloud. They put their equipment in our environment and we took over management of it. So they wanted out of the hardware business. They still owned it, they were still leasing it, whatever the case is. Put it in, wash their hands of it, and let us take over all the management of it. When their lease expired, we migrated them to the cloud. They took their equipment, returned it to the leasing company, or just retired it if it was really old.
Yeah.
And they got out of the hardware business years before they planned to. So co-location is, at the very simplest form, if all you want is environment, we've got that for you. That's a very simple solution.
Yep.
But the other thing is, once you get into our environment, it opens the door to administrative services, backup services, disaster recovery services, a wide range of solutions that customers can take advantage of.
Yeah, and I think when we speak with even some of our customers, potential customers, I feel like once you start explaining that, the gears in their head kind of go, and it's thinking of things that they didn't think of, but it's also now it opens the door of, I still want to have control of it, but it's the things that I don't want to do that now we get to take over.
Yeah, I think you're right that it becomes they almost start the gears. It's imagine the possibilities.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, I never thought of it that way. So yeah, it's a great way to kind of change the game on how you're managing your infrastructure, while, like you said, still controlling it. It's still mine, I still own it, but I'm letting somebody else manage it for me. So
yeah.
It's opened the door for a lot of opportunities for customers to reduce the burden of managing infrastructure, and slowly make steps to outsourcing some of their solution. So a lot of options out there. If this has got the gears turning for you, check out our website on co-location, fill out a form, give us a call. We'd love to have a conversation with you, hear your ideas of how you'd like to use co-location, and see if we can't put together a solution that meets your needs. So thanks for joining. I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.